Get into the 2017 Audi Q7. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This vehicle delivers the best of sporty styling and modern efficiency. Confidence comes standard thanks to driver-focused design, state-of-the-art safety features, and a premium feel. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: navigation system, keyless entry, sun, moonroof, backup camera, V6 cylinder engine, power liftgate, fog lamps, third row seat, electronic stability control, 8-speed AT,